Hello everybody, it's Swordy and welcome back to Marvel Spider-Man Remastered. Alright, so let's get straight back to where we left off. I think we should do some towers. So... Side mission. We also might do the first side mission here that's available to us.
Spider-Man, I think I figured out how Fisk's men are keeping his rackets running. Construction sites.
Wasn't that shut down when he was arrested?
No, it's one of his legitimate businesses. Multiple investors. We can't act without cause.
But now you've got that, right?
That's why I'm hoping you can keep an eye on the locations. Tell me if you see anything suspicious.
You got it. I'll be your nosy neighborhood Spider-Man.
Ah! Oh.
All units. Civilians are trapped following a vehicle collision. Reported location is in the vicinity of Nomad.
But I don't see it. It lies. Alright. There we go. Easy. Wonder if I can see the crime. No, no crime. It lied to me. Oh wow, okay, that's a lot more than I thought. We'll just work our way up. Sorry officers, unfortunately they're gonna have to get away with the crimes. I'm too busy trying to unlock the map.
Officers respond. We've got a 1010 narcotics in progress. Incident is active near Grand Central.
Lies, you do not have any crime in progress.
My loyal listeners, brushheads they call themselves, though never quite understood why, will remember my warnings about the downright Orwellian crime monitoring system the city was installing. It's not operating. Why, you ask? Because someone came to their senses and realized they'd be violating civil liberties? Wrong! Because those incompetent bureaucrats built a network that crashes
Sorry, Jameson.
more often than a wino driving a bumper car. So your tax dollars got wasted, and there's nothing to show for it. Which is about as close as you get to a happy ending in the real world, kids.
Ah. Don't go after the kids, Jameson. Alright. Smaller. Yeah, there we go. There's crime.
Can't take us all.
Oh. Damn, I finally got hit.
And no more muggers. Ah, I love a happy ending.
Wish we had a dozen of you.
Let's continue.
Backup needed for a chase in progress. Officers needed at Lenox Hill. Over.
It sucks that you can't see the crime unless if the map is revealed to you already. Oh, the Avengers Tower.
Hey, we don't need you here right now, right?
Route 1182, any available units?
Oh, says that there's crime. Level up. Nice. Swing speed. Nice.
I realize the irony in me saying this, but I hope you've learned not to hit people.
Thank you. They were gonna kill me.
Got an 1165 on the eastbound side of the Manhattan.
Gotta love movement on such a big open world map. I mean, this is meant to be an entire city, and you can just get from one place to the other pretty quickly without any fast traveling, and it's fun to do so too. Oh, love it. Alrighty, so let's do the side mission. New suits. Oh. I did not see these. Armored advanced suit. Okay. Oh god. The bombastic bag, man. Movie suits. Sure, why not? Let's get gadget. Alright. Skills. Throw. Increase dodge window. And perfect hit. I have 2 points available. We get swing kick and web throw. Alright. Schmoving.
10:30. We've got a robbery in progress. Please
Alright.
mobilize on Museum Mile.
Support your local businesses by not robbing them.
Ow.
They just got more interesting. Open fire!
Gotta be a special kind of crazy to rob a storefront in the city Spider-Man protects.
Easy does it.
Hey, Spider-Man! You should check this out.
Doing a little nighttime bird watching?
Well, I was watching for nocturnal raptors in the park when I noticed a bunch of men armed with rifles over at Belvedere Castle.
Thanks for the heads up, Miss,
Stephanie, let me know if I can help. I'll keep an eye on the activities from up here.
Thanks for the assist, Stephanie. Why would armed men be at Belvedere Castle? Got a hunch they're not tourists.
I think after this I'll also probably do the DLCs. They seem to be pretty interesting as far as the story goes. Oh.
Fisk's men. This isn't good.
Stealth.
Feet are killing me. Anyone else hear that?
Sleep it off.
I see him!
No!
I'm tired of you. So am I. I'm in an ass-kicking mood.
That's all of them. Let's find out what they were up to. Not sure what's going on here. Wonder if there's any info I can get from this... Stephanie, a bird just stole a flash drive full of evidence. Maybe a pigeon. Is that normal?
It is nesting season, so I'm not surprised. You know, I think there's a nest in the trees just southeast of the castle.
Great, I'll check it out.
Alright.
You've got buddies. Great. Come back with that flash drive, you dirty sky rats!
Try positive reinforcement. You know, pigeons are actually remarkably intelligent.
Remarkably intelligent, huh? Hey pigeons! Sorry about the dirty sky rats thing. Maybe we can make a deal? Whatever Fisk is paying you in birdseed, I'll double it! Got one. But he doesn't have the drive. Bupkis.
What are you doing with the birds if they don't have the drive, Peter? You crunching them and putting them in your pockets or something?
This is it. I've got the drive. Back to the laptop to see what Fisk's men were up to.
Are the pigeons no more?
Looks like they were uploading a worm to the Central Park Wi-Fi system. This could give them backdoor access to a ton of personal data. Come to think of it, even I use this network. Wait, it's still uploading remotely. There must be multiple access points. Stephanie, you're my eyes in the sky. See anything else strange in the park?
I see a pair of horned owls and... Oh, more guys at a nearby junction box.
Thanks. Keep a lookout for anything else. I need to get to that junction box before the upload complete. If they can't access the laptop, they can't upload.
Can't hit him in the air. Oh, I'm sick and tired of you. So am I.
Ow.
I'll shut your mouth permanent. Now, no!
Whoa, okay. This is almost as exciting as the time I saw 3 chestnut-sided warblers. Hey, I just noticed 2 other junction boxes being hit. Sending you the location.
Thanks for the heads up. I better get moving. 2 more? I never thought I'd say this. Why does Central Park need such strong Wi-Fi coverage? I thought people came here to get away. There they are. Need to keep them away from that box.
Hit him harder! I don't fold that easy. You're toast.
Plenty of time.
Literally didn't see that coming.
I wouldn't want to fight me. No, no. Here comes the pain. Get back down here. I'll teach you some respect. Oh, sick and constant regret that.
There. The people of Manhattan can rest easy knowing that their passwords and cat videos are safe.
Spider-Man? I think they might have seen me.
Oh no. Are you sure?
Pretty sure. Armed men just arrived.
Lock the roof entrance and hold tight. I'm on my way. Need to get to Stephanie before Fisk's men do. She wouldn't be involved if it weren't for me.
Yeah, Peter, it's all your
They're
fault.
trying to break down the door.
We know you're working with the spiders. Open up.
Nearly there.
Split up and find the girl with the binoculars. Spider-Man, take him out. Then toss the girl over the edge. I'll enjoy this. Somebody shoot him down. I'm in an ass-kicking mood. Ouch. Crack him. Stop him. Come on, hit him.
Ow.
Got a present for you! You don't mess with the kingpin in the...
That's all of them. Should check on Stephanie.
Oh, thank you, Spider-Man. That was a little more exciting than my average night of birding.
Hey, thank you. Your eagle eye stopped an incarcerated crime boss from harvesting half the city's personal data.
Not too shabby, huh? Plus, I found a nest of red-breasted nuthatches when you triple kicked that guy in the face. Real beauties, too. You want to check them out?
Thanks, but I think I'll focus on jailbirds for now.
Alrighty. I think we'll leave it there. Alright, that does it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see a different game of your liking, I guess. Alright, see ya.